Have you ever stopped to think about how you eat? Do you shovel down your food in a hurry, barely tasting it? Or do you savor every bite, paying attention to the flavors and textures? The way we eat has a profound impact on our health and well-being. In our fast-paced world, we often eat mindlessly, disconnected from the food we consume. This can lead to overeating, indigestion, and a diminished appreciation for the nourishment our bodies need. Mindful eating is a powerful practice that can transform our relationship with food. It involves bringing our full attention to the act of eating, noticing the flavors, textures, and aromas of our food. By slowing down and savoring each bite, we become more aware of our body's hunger and fullness cues, allowing us to eat in a way that truly nourishes us. Mindful eating is not about deprivation or following strict diets. It's about cultivating a healthy and sustainable relationship with food, one that honors our body's needs and brings us joy. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the principles and benefits of mindful eating, exploring how it can help us live healthier and more fulfilling lives. Mindful eating is the practice of paying full attention to the experience of eating, being present in the moment with your food. It involves engaging all your senses, sight, smell, taste, touch, and even sound, to fully appreciate the nourishment you're receiving. When you eat mindfully, you become aware of your body's hunger and fullness cues, learning to eat when you're truly hungry and stop when you're satisfied. This practice has numerous health benefits. It can improve digestion by allowing your body to properly process food. It can also help with weight management by preventing overeating and promoting a healthier relationship with food. Moreover, mindful eating can reduce stress and anxiety by bringing a sense of calm and focus to the act of eating. By paying attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food, you can rediscover the pleasure of eating. Food becomes more than just fuel. It becomes a source of enjoyment and nourishment for both your body and mind. Mindful eating is a journey of self-discovery, helping you understand your body's needs and cultivate a deeper appreciation for the food that sustains you. In our busy lives, we often eat on autopilot, barely noticing what we're consuming. This mindless eating can lead to a host of problems, including overeating and emotional eating. When we eat without paying attention, we often consume more than our bodies need, leading to weight gain and other health issues. Emotional eating is another common problem, where we use food to cope with stress, boredom, or other uncomfortable emotions. Instead of addressing the root cause of our feelings, we turn to food for comfort, often indulging in unhealthy snacks that provide temporary solace, but ultimately leave us feeling worse. Mindless eating disconnects us from our body's natural hunger and fullness cues. We may eat even when we're not hungry, driven by external factors like boredom or the sight of tempting food. This can create a vicious cycle of overeating and emotional dependence on food, leading to a strained relationship with what we eat. Section 4. Techniques for mindful eating. Slow down and savor. Mindful eating doesn't require complicated rituals or strict rules. It's about making small but significant changes to the way you approach food. One of the simplest yet most effective techniques is to slow down. Instead of rushing through your meal, take your time, chewing each bite thoroughly and savoring the flavors. Another important technique is to pay attention to your hunger cues. Before you eat, ask yourself if you're truly hungry or just bored or stressed. If you're not genuinely hungry, find other ways to address your emotions, such as going for a walk, talking to a friend, or engaging in a relaxing activity. As you eat, notice the textures, aromas, and flavors of your food. Engage all your senses to fully appreciate the nourishment you're receiving. Pay attention to your body's fullness cues, stopping when you feel satisfied, not overly full. By practicing these simple techniques, you can bring more mindfulness to your eating habits and cultivate a healthier relationship with food. Section 5. Transforming your relationship with food through mindfulness. Mindful eating is not about deprivation or following rigid diets. It's about cultivating a healthy and sustainable relationship with food, one that honors your body's needs and brings you joy. When you practice mindful eating, you begin to see food as more than just fuel. It becomes a source of nourishment for both your body and mind. You may start to appreciate the variety of flavors and textures available in different foods, experimenting with new ingredients and cuisines. You may also find yourself naturally gravitating towards healthier choices as you become more attuned to your body's needs and cravings. Mindful eating can also help you break free from the cycle of emotional eating. By becoming more aware of your emotions and their triggers, you can find healthier ways to cope with stress and discomfort. This empowers you to make conscious choices about what you eat, based on your body's needs rather than your emotions. Section 6. The ripple effect of mindful eating, improved health and well-being. The benefits of mindful eating extend far beyond weight management. By fostering a healthier relationship with food, mindful eating can have a ripple effect on your overall health and well-being. You may experience improved digestion, as your body is better able to process food when you eat slowly and mindfully. You may also find that you have more energy, as your body is receiving the nutrients it needs in a balanced and sustainable way. Mindful eating can also reduce stress and anxiety by bringing a sense of calm and focus to the act of eating. By cultivating a healthier relationship with food, you create a foundation for overall well-being. You're better equipped to make choices that support your physical and mental health, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Section 7. Conclusion. Embracing mindful eating for a healthier you. In a world that constantly bombards us with distractions, mindful eating offers a path to reconnect with ourselves and the food that sustains us. It's a simple yet powerful practice that can transform our relationship with food, leading to improved health, greater well-being, and a deeper appreciation for the nourishment our bodies need. By slowing down, savoring each bite, and paying attention to our body's cues, we can break free from mindless eating habits and cultivate a more mindful approach to food. This journey is not about deprivation or strict rules. It's about rediscovering the joy of eating and honoring our body's needs. I encourage you to embark on this journey of mindful eating. Start by incorporating small changes into your daily routine, such as slowing down, chewing thoroughly, and paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues. As you practice mindful eating, you'll discover its transformative power, leading you to a healthier and more fulfilling relationship with food. Share your experiences and inspire others to embrace the practice of mindful eating.